Have you ever wanted to do something but just didn't know where to start? Maybe you have a gift or a talent or even a passion of doing something, but you just don't know where to start. Maybe somebody keeps telling you, or the people around you tell you, hey, you need to do this one thing. And you always brush them off because you think that one thing that you're really good at, everybody else can do. I'm here to tell you, everybody else can't do that one gift. God put that one gift into you. Yes, you. So it's up to you in order to get started with it. That's exactly why I created Start What You Love. Why? Because I myself was in the same position you are. Didn't know what to do. Everybody told me I need to do one thing, right? I was like, everybody can do this. I found out, guess what? Everybody can do it because God gave you that gift. Hi, my name is Shamarcus, and I feel that everybody has a gift, a talent, or a passion of doing something. They're just waiting on a perfect timing. Guess what? I was that somebody. I was you. I was waiting on the perfect timing. I was waiting on the perfect money. I was waiting on the perfect logo. I was waiting on the perfect lighting when I first started my YouTube channel. All of these things, I was waiting on the perfect, perfect, perfect. However, what I found out after a whole bunch of trials and tribulations is the perfect time is always right now. Right now. Start with where you are. That is the biggest and most funniest hurdle that if I had to start over, I would do. Start with where you are. Main question I ask everybody that I know and everybody that comes on a journey with me is if you didn't get paid not one red cent doing whatever this thing was, what would that be? Now, I know that that might sound like a tricky question because we always have bills, we have this, we have that, right? So, one question, let's start this off. One question. If you did not get paid one penny doing a thing, what would that thing be? Don't worry, I'll let you think about it because I know my one thing was talking and helping people get started with their journey. I really thought in the first beginning that everybody can do this. Just like I stated earlier, everybody can't do it. Everybody don't want to do it. And I learned that if it's me to do it, I'm supposed to do it. So I asked one of my clients that same question. Her thing was, let me think about it. I said, think about it. What's the first thing that came to your mind? If you did not get paid and you want to do something, what would that be? She let me know decorating. Okay, that was a good start. So that's where we started our groundwork at. Okay, decorating. I let her know. Okay, so there's tons of decorating. There any particular decorating that you like? She told me yes. She's let me know that she wants to be a home decorator. I let her know. That's amazing. I myself can't decorate nothing. So just know, first things first, that is a talent, that's a gift. So now the next thing I do is I built up confidence in her. How did I build up confidence? I let her know that starting this journey, that she would love it. There will be some good times, there will be some bad times, but the thing is, once you start doing exactly what you love, everything falls into place. All the money that you need somehow mysteriously comes to you. All of the people that you need somehow just normally comes to you. So the thing is, you have to one get started first. You have to figure out whatever that thing you is and embrace yourself into that thing. I have a question for you. Who is the best soccer player ever? I'll let you think about it. So the thing is, I don't know who the best soccer player ever. Maybe you do. But the only reason why you know who the best soccer player ever is you watch soccer. You're immerse yourself into soccer. So a whole bunch of things that you'll know about soccer, I wouldn't know. Why? Because I'm not in that arena. So, the one thing that I tell everybody, start getting into that arena. Whatever that arena is, what you're going to find out is you don't need a lot of money to start, but you do need passion and you need to get started. So, my first question was my client was, do you have any proof of anything you've decorated? She said, yes. I'm like, thank you. She said, but it's only my house. I let her know that's the perfect place to start with. Why? Because if you decorate your house, you can decorate someone else's house. And all of the things that you love in your house, guess what? Someone else will love it in theirs. Might be some tweaking, but guess what? They will love it. Here's a lesson that I had to learn the hard way. Don't focus on the last step. Always focus on the first step and the next step after that. What do I mean by that? The first step is getting started. Let's go and look at where we can decorate other than just her house, right? The next step is how do we get in contact with those people? So I helped her start one, get a logo. I showed her exactly where to go to get a logo for pretty much cheap. The next thing is, all right, let's find out who needs your services. Everybody needs your services. We just need to narrow down who it is that needs your services. We put a list together of all the people that probably could utilize her services. What's next? Man, this is the easy part. Why? Because you just got started. The hardest part is always just getting started. So now that we have one, a market that we know, we have clients that we know. Now we just have to reach out to those clients. What I did for my client is I found apartment complexes that needed the home decorating or needed decorating services. Next thing is we're going to call up those clients. So now we have a list of clients that love decorating or needs decorating in their house. What did I do? I gave her a list of apartment complexes that need decorating. Guess what? The people that are in the apartment complexes are going to need decorating as well. So they're going to reach out to them as well. The next thing is I made her a flyer with all of her decorating skills, also her name, number, and email. I set her up a Google email. I also helped her get started with a phone number. I helped her get a Google number so you won't have to worry about getting your number out. We have a flyer. We can do one or two things. We can send the flyer to all of our friends and let them know, hey, this is this one thing that I'm doing. Sometimes all we have to do is start with our warm leads, meaning the people that we already know. We let them know, hey, we're doing this one thing. And if you know anything, if you know anybody that needs help with this one thing, give them my information. So now we have a base, we have clients, and now all we have to do is do the work. So I made it sound really simple, but the thing is, all we have to do is get started. So if you need help to get started, let me know, pin in the comments, and I'll be able to help you get started as well. I want you to have a great rest of the day.